Hello guys, today in last video we did some HTML part and some CSS. In CSS we created external style shape where we linked it and we tested for our file if it's working. So this is the result and that's our code from the last video. So in this video we are gonna create a div box and we will use different functions and apply in different tags. So let's start with h1. For example, let's give it an id. There are two methods. One is id and second is class. id is mostly used for single elements, like such as if you want to just give a function to h1, and classes you can use it for multiple times for multiple tags, so you don't have to write multiple times, such as if you are creating a class with text font. If you are creating a class of text font and you are applying that in h1, h2 and h6, it will work. So you don't have to write like 3 times extra for you don't have to create 3 times extra classes. So let's check it out how it works. So let's start with id and we will see the difference how id works and how class works. So in h1 we created an id, so we are gonna make an id as a header. Okay, so once you move that, let's just save it. Okay, before we go any further, for id you have to use the hash sign, and for class it's a full stop and dot only words. So for example, if I don't got a header as an id, so in CSS page, style shape page, we have to write it as this, and if we had created a class, it will be displayed as this. It's not, the both are same, just the difference is starting sign as it is mentioned. So at the moment we are using the id, so that will be that one. So let's start with for example, what can we do with that? So it's a black color, so let's try to change the text color as, so it's something else. So how about green? Save that, let's see if it works. There you go. So you are manipulating the h1 tag now. So what if we change it to class? What will be the difference? Save it. But for now, let's just, for example, if I don't change that and I have made it this one as a class, it won't work. So I have to change this to dot, save it, and there you go, it's working again. But this time, for example, if we have to give the h2 and h6 the same color, we can just copy that part, add that in there, save it, That's it. It's working for other tags as well. You don't have to write it multiple times, such as this. You are saving the space, and it will be easier to read as well. So next thing we can also do, for example, we can use this div tags for many purposes. For example, let's leave that one. Let's go here. So let's create a div. Yeah, then let's do an ID for now. ID will be head. Save it. So this is a div tag. You can use it for multiple purposes. So let's make it head. Sorry, head. We can do a background color. Background color will be blue, for example, just to see the difference. Then we can choose the height and width. Height will be 200 pixels and width will be auto. That will be full screen, depends on the screen size. Save that and let's see what's the difference. There you go. So as you can see, the screen width, it's increasing and decreasing depending on your browser window size. But can you see this the margin around the red part? If you don't want that, you have to just do one additional part, which is called also called known as a reset. So for that, it's a star sign. Then you have to just write margin 0, padding 0. Save that. Check the difference. Now there is no red border. Okay, so in this video that's enough, and please keep on watching for next video. Thanks for watching.